People are not accustomed to seeing a machine like this in a convenience store. It was super easy to get Smoody into the store. We looked at 2 other machines. It is, I believe, a higher level than the sugar water that they're accustomed to getting at the C-store. You can literally see what you're getting, and it doesn't have any extra sugars.
Beside it telling you what's all on there, you can actually see what's in it. You scan, and right there it tells you all the information about it. You need to know anything, it's all right there.
The thing about the machine that 100% sold me is it cleans itself. So our people aren't tasked with it.
See, look, it washes itself. That's awesome when you own a store, because then you don't have to clean it.
5 people can come all right in a row and it's all clean, everything's good.
It's just easier and more convenient, plus the fact that it's all fresh. I mean, everybody, they all like it.
Smoothies customer service is super. It's very easy. You deal with the same people. There's no 800 numbers. It's not like you're part of a big company where nobody knows who you are. The relationship with Smoody is a lot easier than most companies we deal with. Much easier, actually.